Hello traders, this is your boy Coach Blue Forex, and today I'm going to teach you how to use break and retest. And break and retest is like one of the key concepts in trading. Once the break the important zone and retest that zone, definitely the price will continue. There's high probability that the price will continue in the same direction. So when you are trading in break and retest, the time frame is very important. So the higher time frame, the better the chance of the price continuing in the same direction. So now let me show you a few examples how to improve and see if you can get a similar trade next week. Today is Sunday, the market is off. So let me now start here. This pair is gbpjpy. So now you can see the price. If you can see clearly, the price was here, this zone. Okay, this was strong resistance. Then what happened? You know why this is strong resistance? See how many times the price tried to go up and rejected 1, 2, and this is the third time. So see, once the price broke this resistance with this high momentum, what are we expecting? We are expecting two scenarios. The first scenario is price to go up and then retest here. The second scenario is the price to go this zone and maybe look for this opportunity in this double top formation. But I already made a video about double top, so if you are on double bottom, if you are interested, you can see it. So now let us see what happens. You can see the price starting to retrace. It went up a little bit, then now it's retracing again it's retracing, still retracing. Okay, see now it came to this zone and you can see how it rejected. See, right? So now what are we looking? We want to see some kind of candle confirmation. I also made a video about candle confirmation. If you're interested, you can watch that video also. This is the box we want. Let me input here. It's a big box, it's around here. So let us see what happens. Let us play the continue. Still rejection. And now this is like the best example to buy here. So you can see it also made in a low time frame. This will be called a double bottom formation. So now all what we need is to take our long position, place it here, sorry for that, place it here and target around this high. It already made an stop loss around here. It's now 1 to 3, 1 to 4 clean. So let us see what happens. See the price start going up a little bit, still in our entry, boom. You see here, by now we already have 1 to 1, so by now you will be like removing your stop loss to break even and watching the trade to run. Clean trade, super snipe entry and clean trade. See, still on, still active. You know, sometimes the price will be doing this kind of stuff, you know, this kind of like consolidation, like because the price cannot simply fly, cannot simply go up like that. You know, it cannot simply go like that in a single straight line. The price will retrace, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, So you do not need to panic. Once you see that, you just wait and see if your TB is hit. Still not hit our TB, that's fine. By now you can actually close. See, now boom, hit. By now, because once the price is doing this near to your TB, it's already in your TB. All you are waiting is that hit TB, but you already achieved all your targets, so you can simply close this trade. This was the one example. Now let us move to the second example. This is the second example, guys. Now we can see that the price is at support. The price is at support right now. Now we have two options. Either now to say that the price will respect the support and go up. That's the first scenario, guys. And I know there's always like good reason not to buy this trade from this support. That you can see how big is this candles. Can't you see? Massive candlestick, can see one, and this is 4 hour time frame, by the way. Big massive 4 candle, so there's a chance that this support will be breaking, but we don't know. We will wait. And the second scenario is that we wait the price to break this support, and we have this evidence because we can see how massive this candle is, and then retest. And that's the second scenario. There are two scenarios here. See, two scenario. There are two scenarios here. So let us see how it plays out. See, oh boom, can't you see? This is what I was talking about. This massive. So now this scenario is eliminated. It's not there anymore. Now what we have is this. What now we have is this scenario. Let us see now what happens. Okay, like we need to wait patiently and see if we can get the retrace now to go in a oh now wait guys. Now the price, wait, let me actually put this here. Here is like more clear. Now the price retested that support. It was support, now it's turning to resistance. Some traders call it this format, but you can call it anyhow you like. They say the support turning to resistance, stuff, blah blah blah. It's the same thing. Do not get confused. So now it's like the price is a good zone. What we want to see now candle confirmation. We already seen one already. You can see this, but you still need more evidence. There we go. This was the evidence. See. So now what we need is take our short position, place it here, stop loss above the range. Let us risk 0.30% here, and the target is always here. It's like good risk ratio, and when you are taking trade, always look at the risk ratio. Let us simply make 1 to 3, but something like that. 1 to 3, very nice, very nice. So now let us play. See, now it's still looking. Now by now you should be like moving your stop loss to entry, or maybe you can even move your stop loss to this zone. But now let us reduce the risk and close some positions. Let us manage the trade. Trade management is very important. It's very important. So now let us see what happens. Still playing around, because this way is not that volatile sometimes. See, kind of scary now. It's retracing back all the way to our entry. Still consolidating, still fine, still not hit our TB, see here. See, once, okay, look guys, once the price was about to hit our TB and this is our last TB. We already closed some position, like, because we are risking here. Here was like our TB1. Here was like our my TB1 1-to-1, around here. We already achieved that, but now this is our last TB. But once you see the price almost, and I have seen this many times, when the price about hit your TB, is going to retrace. So now you can manually close the trade. You don't need, if you are awake and you are watching the market, once like 10 pips, 3 pips, like, because we are targeting like 100 something pips, 3 pips, 10 pips, you don't need to wait. You can simply say, okay, it hit, I achieved my target. You don't have to be accurate all the time. You don't have to get all the TB, like wait for the TB. You can see how, you can see the price almost hit our TB. Look how many bips away, so by now you could manually close. You don't need to wait this like stressful, and the price retracing you all the way here. You don't have to wait that. Once you see like this, almost hit our TB, like it's like how many pips, like few pips, like 5 to 3 pips there, you can simply close. But anyway, the price now is it's coming down, and hopefully it can hit our TBC, boom. But you don't have to wait like this, guys. You don't have to risk 3 before like 100 pip. Simply close once the price is almost on your final TP. Just close, because we are not here chasing for to have all the perfect TPs all the time. Sometimes this market can be unpredictable. So now let us go for last example, and again a good example here. And always see this pre-guard test, the market, the price, it was a downtrend market. That's a clean. You always, once you are trading the pre-guard test, you always see the trend of the market. This was clean downtrend, so we just following the trend, and we're using pre-guard test for more confluences. Now let us go on another example. Okay. Again, this is the last example, guys. So please pay attention and watch this example clearly. Now in this scenario we have a lot of influences. First of all, this is a downtrend market. I believe you can all see. Let me go to daily time frame so you can see clearly. And now we can see this is a downtrend market. The price made a low, it respected this high low, low high. Then now it's making another low high, trying to make lower low here. It's very simple, as simple as that. Okay, now let us go to 4-hour time frame and see what's happening here in the low time frame. I show you that it's a downtrend market. Okay, now what you have is that, see, we also have break of this trend line. Very simple. Now what you have is a support here. It is a support, guys. So now, since it broke this trend line and we have a support here, now what we are waiting to see what first of all we are waiting the price to retest somehow here. Okay, once it retraces here, what we have one option, or like buy in this market, saying that it will go up. That's the first scenario. What's the second scenario? Second scenario, you see that, okay, this is a downtrend market. Okay, that's we tick that. This is a downtrend market, tick that. What else? The market, the price shows that shows that it break this trend line. Again, another confluence that this market will go down. Okay, what we want now? What we want, that we will wait. If the price comes here, what will happen? Then if we will see, if the price breaks here, what we want? If the price breaks here like this, what we want? Because there's high chance that this support will be broken, because we have the scenario that's a downtrend market. We also have break of this trend line, so we do not believe that this support will help the price. We want like this. That's what we want. There's two types of traders now. We can see everything, but those one who's trying to waiting for this break of this support are like their chance is high, because it's a downtrend market. If this was uptrend market, this the bias will be like in favor, but now I believe the sellers are in favor. I don't know, let us see what happens. Okay, see, it went up. Okay, see, I was wrong, but let us see what happens. It went up. Oh, boom, it came back to this support. So what happens now? Okay, now this scenario is not available anyway. It's not valid. So let me clean this. Now you have something interesting. The support has been broken. Now let us see what happens. Again, another, see, and you have to pay close attention to the volume of the market. The market is clearly showing that it's a sell, because you can see how big is the candle. It's like, see, it's clearly telling you it's a sell. Now what we want is like retracement. We want like premium discount price to like continue with this sell. That's all what we want. I cannot simply buy here. I cannot sorry, I cannot simply sell here, because it's not like this is not a good retracement. I want like premium discount. Some traders call it discount. It's the same thing. Do not get confused. So I cannot definitely sell here. It's not that it did not make a good retracement. If you bought if you sold here, you are not like patient trader. You will lose definitely. Like you need to see some retracement, like good retracement, at least 50%. Of course, if you now take a fib here to here is like 50%. You can clearly see it's half, right? You don't need to use fib here, but you can clearly see. So I already made a video about fib. If you can also watch that video. So let us continue. Okay. Oh, okay. Now the price is at the zone now. See? What we want? What now? Let me now recap what I said. We want the price to break here, to retest here. We achieved that goal. Now what we want is that see some kind of rejection in that zone, and we sell this market. That's what we want. Hopefully we can get that. Let us now play the video. Clear as that. See, once you see this rejection, this candle breaking, this candle low of this candle, like you don't have to wait that long. You don't have to wait that long. Let me bring my shot. You don't have to wait this long. Waiting kills trading. You don't have to wait. Now we are targeting here. You can simply target this. This is the the strongest level here. You target in here like this. Clean, like this, like clean 1, 2, 3, very clean. But let us see now what happens. Oh, now I believe it's a winning trade. You can see now it is again breaking the low of the another candle. Boom. By now you can lower your stop loss to entry, move your stop loss to entry, close some position, because now this is a 1-to-1, and now see what happens. Boom, another TP. I have shown you 3 examples, and I have shown you 3 examples right just now, and all were winners. Some may not be winners, I know, but now the purpose of this video was that show that break and test works, but you have to know what time frame to use, when to use, and you need to able to read the market trend, where the price is going, the volume, the moment, the right time. There's a lot goes on when you're trading break and retest. So I believe this is the end, and I also hope this video was useful to you. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you again.